One of the first things that I feel get cut in our lifestyle is home cooked meals. And I feel like it's something that is pretty important, with getting together at the end of the day, sitting and having a nice meal together. It's super important to keeping everybody going and in the loop, connected with each other. And the great thing about this recipe, which I love with the fact that I can take one thing, I can make it ahead of time, I can transform it depending on my mood, and it's very easy, quick to put together. And the nice thing about this is it freezes super, super well. So you can double, you can triple the batch and put it in your freezer for another night when you guys are super busy and you're just trying to put something together really quickly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my Mommy's Life channel where I share with you guys my journey as a first-time mom, dentist, and business owner. If you guys are new to this channel, a very big welcome. This channel is all about giving you guys tips, tricks, and motivation to get more done, to continue to dream big even after motherhood. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys my ultimate favorite bolognese recipe. And why I feel that this should be shared with the entire world is that, as a mom and being a working parent, running my own business, one of the first things that I feel get cut in our lifestyle is home cooked meals. And I feel like it's something that is pretty important, with getting together at the end of the day, sitting and having a nice meal together. It's super important to keeping everybody going and in the loop, connected with each other. But unfortunately, with our crazy busy days and different schedules and whatnot, it gets to be a very big challenge to do so. And sometimes it's demotivating as well, especially with my husband and I's schedule. A lot of times, we'll kind of miss each other, and so it gets to be pretty tough. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys my special recipe that is just super tasty, huge crowd favorite. I don't know about your toddlers, but Caitlin, she could eat pasta every single meal of the day and she would be perfectly happy. And the great thing about this recipe, which I love with the fact that I can take one thing, I can make it ahead of time, I can transform it depending on my mood, and it's very easy, quick to put together. So at the end of this video, I'll show you a video of me actually putting this together and you'll see how quick it is. The actual prep time is probably 15, maybe 20 minutes, and the rest of it is just cooking on the stovetop, attention free. You just have to keep an eye on it for from time to time until it's done, just to make sure it doesn't burn. And the nice thing about this is it freezes super, super well. So you can double, you can triple the batch and put it in your freezer for another night when you guys are super busy and you're just trying to put something together really quickly. And you can also use this recipe as your base for many other types of recipes. So besides just, good old bolognese over spaghetti with some Parmesan cheese, delicious, you can also use it as your base for, say, lasagna. You can also put it in baked stuffed seashells with ricotta cheese. It's very, very versatile, so you can use it, let your creativity run wild a little bit, and whatever you have around the house, throw it together with this nice sauce. It's super hearty, total comfort food. It's great for the winter time. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and you enjoy my recipe. If you guys do, please make sure you leave me a comment and you make sure you subscribe so that you never miss when I post a new video. I'm always looking out for new recipes and ideas that will help busy parents. So if you guys have one, please make sure you share it with me. I am, as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I'm a huge advocate of keeping it simple but also tasty at the same time. I'm all about having it quick, simple, little ingredients, and little cleanup. Little cleanup is key, because after you cook, what's the last thing you want to do? Clean up. So one pot wonders are a huge hit of mine. There's also a lot of things that you can make within a rice cooker. If you guys haven't done so already, check out the Zoji Rushi. That's the one I have, and it has a lot of really cool recipes that you can make within the rice cooker. And another thing, of course, that people have been really fond of is the Instant Pot. If you guys don't have an Instant Pot, make sure you look at one and check it out if this is something for you guys. It's really awesome. It's really quick. You throw everything in there and 15 minutes later you can have a meal. So there's a lot of really great ways out there. I love Pinterest. I don't necessarily follow the recipes on there step by step, but it's great to get me inspired and help me figure out ways to, you know, still be able to cook and have the maximum amount of time at the end of the day as well, because as you know, we are all limited, but we want to make sure that, you know, we still have the time to cook, especially during times like this where, you know, everybody is panicked about the coronavirus. And I just want to share with you guys that, you know, there's no need to panic. I think being prepared is important, but don't panic. When people panic, you start to lose the best parts of your creativity. You start to forget, you know, what's really important. You're not as good at problem solving. A lot of things start to shut down when you panic. So don't panic, but make sure you're prepared to be, you know, with whatever comes. And I hope you guys continue to stay safe out there, wash your hands, make sure you don't touch your face. That's what we're telling everyone in our office as well as patients that come in. We're definitely still continuing to see our patients, and even though we haven't changed our basic standard procedures, we've even heightened it more just to make sure that everybody is safe and healthy. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.